Hello, today I will be teaching you how to use Python ideally. Like you can use it in some other websites like Visual Studios and some more. I don't know like which ones. So today first I will be going through ideally and this non-graphical. So yeah, so we will do with how to get like how to take an input from someone. So the thing you have to write it input input and then this is called a string. See, this is called a string and we have to put two brackets. You can like this is the main function, so the purple things are the function. We have to put brackets after the function, and if you want to write something after the function, then you have to do it like this. Like there should be two dots and these are called strings. So now I have to write enter your name and then I can now if I put a is equals to and write name, so I have made this only this one this what do you call variable, like I have converted it into a variable, only this one. And now if I say print name, means it will print the name. Now let's run it. See, now I have to enter my name and now it will print my name. Now to make it more proper I can do it like this. Now the name and the thing I am entering will not combine. See, like this. Now I can easily enter my name. And if I do not write this, then see what will happen. It will give me an error because the name is not defined. The variable is gone. So I have to write it name only. And if I erase this, suppose I erase this and this, then I will just enter my name. Like it will just take the input. It will not print anything. Say, see, it is just taking my name. It's not printing or doing anything else. Like I can, and if wanna do something like a good thing, so I can say print. Oops, wrong name. Print. Um, uh, welcome to PYTH. See, now what will happen? It says Arush, welcome to Python. It had happened because I had put a full stop. See, I can mix things inside a print or an input. So that's how I can do things. Let's say like I can what could I had do also one more thing. I can put this first and then name, then it will say welcome to Python Arush. And if I have taken first the name and if I had written the name like this, then it will see it will because it is inside a string, and inside a string it will print what is there, like name, welcome to Arush. See, now if I remove the string, then it will print only, then it will print my name. See, because we that's a variable. If we put string around it, then we are making it a normal word. Now if now the now let's end this video. I will do more videos on Python ideally, and you can do this coding if you want in ideally only. You just have to download Python over there, and you can do it also it in Visual Studios, no problem also over there. So yeah, you can do it any way you like. I only know these two. So yeah. In future, we will make calculator also and many more things, a game also. Okay, so bye.